So kailangan ko na mag-upgrade ng PC kasi sobrang baba ng FPS ko sa Black Myth Wukong and honestly, hindi na siya playable. Kaya this time, magbibuild ako ng PC na hindi lang pang gaming, pang video editing at productivity rin. So ito yung bibuild natin and start tayo sa motherboard para ma-maximize natin ng CPU. Ito yung napili ko, the ROG Strix B860F Gaming Wi-Fi. Dahil sa NPU boost niya for Intel processor na nag-i-increase ng performance up to 24% and may unique features na rin to na AI advisor para mas mabilis ma-access ang performance boost at AI networking para sa increase ng Wi-Fi 7 speed. PCI Gen 5 ready na rin para sa GPU at NVMe SSD, kaya perfect na to for latest components at 16+1+2 power design if ever mag-upgrade tayo to i9 or i7 in the future. At kung magdadagdag kayo ng SSD, don't worry, may tatlo pa kayong extra slots that supports PCI Gen 3 and Gen 4. And for the processor naman is the Intel Core Ultra 5 235 at ang reason kung bakit ito yung napili ko is dahil sa power efficiency to performance. Meron lang tong 65 watts base power with 14 cores and 14 threads and boost up to 5.0 GHz clock speed. So kayang mag-benefit sa multi-core and thread performance sa mga games and heavy softwares with less power consumption. And equip rin to ng 2x16 32 gigs extreme ARGB at 1TB G50 PCI Gen 4 SSD from Team Group since sila ang most trusted brand ko. Asus A31 Black PC case naman ang gamit natin for our chassis with 6 Asus TUF Gaming TR102 reverse fans for more efficient cooling. And yung CPU cooler na ginamit naman natin is the Asus Prime LC240 ARGB AAO. And for our power supply, the ROG Strix 1000 watts Platinum. Of course, latest graphics card yung gagamitin natin at pwede pa tayo mag-upgrade in the near future and mas power efficient pa to kasi may 80 plus Platinum. And para naman sa cherry on top is this ROG Strix RTX 5070 Ti. For me, isa to sa mga pinakamagandang color combination for a graphics card. And i-review ko na lang to for the next video. So from unplayable to high FPS sa mga heavy AAA games like Monster Hunter Wilds, Cyberpunk 2077, Black Myth Wukong, F1 2004, and even Valorant at mas mabilis na mag-render ng 4K 60 FPS na video sa mga software. And honestly, masasabi ko talaga na worth it yung upgrade na to and that's it guys. Pasok na naman and it's time para mag-upgrade at mag-build ng PC. Kaya kung naghanap ka pa lang ng mga parts and peripherals, baka interesado ka sa promo ni Asus. Maraming freebies at discount ang ibibigay ni Asus valid until July 31, 2025. You can save a lot pag bumili ka ng bundle graphics card at power supply ni Asus up to 10,000 pesos. Up to 2,500 pesos naman pag bumili ka ng monitor with your existing Asus PC to 3,525 pesos sa mga peripherals at accessories. You can also have the chance to win 1,000 pesos GCash and all you need to do is to send your photos or videos of Asus or ROG gear dito sa Rate Your PC event nila. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Upgrade and sumali ka na dito. That's it guys.